Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcus and you're watching Philodendron Cove, and today I am going to unbox my favorite and my wish list plans. Well, not really favorite, but wish list. I ain't gonna play favorites because I have a lot of favorites. So this is my wish list plan, and it's gonna be exciting because it has been in my wish list for almost more than 2 years of my plan content channel. So it is finally here. I finally got myself one, and why not share with you guys what I got as well, since everyone is getting into the trend of unboxing their new babies right here. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this video. So here is the box right here. So yeah, let's just get it open, and with my trusty cutters, I am going to cut this box open right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that is pretty. Alright, so here it is. It is out from its box, and oh my gosh, you can see a little bit of the leaves right there. If you could tell just by this leaf part here, then you know what it is. Yeah, so I'm just gonna peel this off. Now this is a plant that every plant collector should at least have it once in their life, I guess. And I present to you this gorgeous Philodendron Billietie. Oh my god. Ah, it's so pretty. Look at that with the orange petioles right there. I'm not sure if you could even see the orange petioles. Right there, look at that. So yeah, this is a gorgeous Philodendron Billietie that is going to unfurl a new leaf as well. And it's way bigger than the actual leaf right here. Look at that leaf, absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I want to talk about like what should you do when you got your new plants in. I would usually quarantine them at least a day or two, just to ensure that they are free of spider mites and etc., and free of pests in general, so that you won't be infecting your other plants with the pests that you brought in. So yeah, this will be quarantined in a corner for a while, and I'm just so happy. Look at how gorgeous this is. So I'm gonna unwrap the baggie and also check on the soil mix. Alright, so here it is, fully unwrapped and fully unboxed, and this is the gorgeous Philodendron Billietie right here. Absolutely stunning with its new growth just kicking in strong, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So this plant, I heard from a lot of people that they are easy to grow, but they are slow growers. So I don't know, I really don't know. So I have to take that experience to myself, and I will update you guys about it in the future. But I just want you guys to admire and take a look at these gorgeous leaves right here. Aren't they stunning? Those tall, long lobes, and also the gorgeous long petiole at the back that just connects to the main stem. I'm not even sure if you could see it, but it's somewhere there. But yeah, this is a gorgeous plant. I absolutely adore it. Like I said, I have wanted this plant for almost 2 years plus. This plant and also the Gloriosum. And yeah, so pretty. I cannot describe it with words because it is just gorgeous and stunning like it is supposed to. And yeah, we also want to talk about the roots here, because like these are climbers. They climb up a tree in the tropicals, and they have these long roots right here. So now it may look like it's very compact because it's still a very young plant. So sooner or later it needs a pole to actually start climbing. So yeah, that is the plant. But yeah, the roots, they have these long tendrils of roots just flowing everywhere. Oopsie. I just fling out a rice hull, so I'm gonna put it back in. But these roots, they actually cling onto the trees and make sure they are stable. That way they do not fall off. And also they could keep climbing just to get more light. That way this plant here will grow bigger leaves and also get more energy from climbing the trees. So yeah, it is a very nice plant. So in general, all philodendrons, majority of the philodendrons climb on trees to actually get into higher ground, to actually get bigger leaves and also get more energy and sunlight. Because like in the tropicals, in the rainforest, they are on the ground most of the time, and that's the only way they could climb and also get more sunlight. So yeah, that's a good factor for that. And I really love the venations. Like, I'm not even sure if the camera could pick it up, but there is, okay, let me just give it lighting. There we go. There is a little bit of like a ribbing on the sides of the leaves that feels very nice. Like, look at that. So this whole plant, honestly, I can talk about it all day, but I do not want to drag this too long. So yeah, its soil mix as well is actually super airy. I could see a lot of lava rocks, like literally lava rocks, cocoa chunks, and also a lot of pine bark or orchid bark, whichever you call it. There's a lot of rice hull fertilizers, slow release fertilizers, of course. So yeah, it's a very aerated soil, which is great for these philodendrons. They do not like to be in soggy soil because you do not want to have root rot, because they are some sensitive babies. So yeah, without further ado, that's pretty much it for this entire unboxing. I just want to share it with you guys about this gorgeous wishlist plant that I have in my wishlist for almost 2 years plus, after starting my entire houseplant craze. So I can't believe I got it. I'm gonna say it again. I can't believe I got it. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this sort of planty content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and keep the notification on, because it really will help you to get updated for new videos, and also it helps me as a small young plant content creator to actually grow and also share my content to everyone else in around the world. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.